my name is Dominique. I'm from Santiago, Chile. I'm a business owner. I own a clothing line back in Chile, and I started actually as a makeup artist, but later on my life I became a business owner. And I'm studying, I studied already the 10-day course, the skincare specialist. I also did the scalp treatment course, and I did the eyelash regrowth, as well as the idol massage. Actually, it started out because I received a really bad service back in Chile. Originally, I was going to do my own beauty salon back in Chile a couple of years ago, but it came to a stop. And when I received this treatment, literally this year, at the beginning of the year, it ignite a passion to retake studies and be able to bring it back to Chile and offer a better service in beauty. Okay, so the first thing, it was a mixture of everything. We went around all my courses in different moments, but I feel everything went completely in sync with each other. The 10-day course, it was basically everything about skin. I became very familiar with machines that I had never even seen in my life. So that was a really nice experience to be able to experience the machines, be able to know a routine of skin care. And for the 10-day course, we learned about skin, the theory, then we practiced, which gave me a lot of confidence because basically we had in the morning theory, and the afternoon we had models. Sometimes we had 2 models in a day because the day before we learned all theory. So for me it was very put into practice what I already learned with the knowledge already in my head, which was very, very nice. I like the formatting of the studies. For the scalp one, it was theory, then practice, and I like that the models that we had were really a testament of what we'll experience with clients. So it was really nice to have a lot of models, since we could see a variety of different problems, of different concerns. Maybe somebody didn't have a problem, but we still treated it, and it was very nourishing and a good experience. The idol massage was very hands-on. Ones that I really sweated because I had to do everything in the moment, we learned it and we put it in practice. I really liked that actually. I felt that the course made me realize that I really like massage techniques. It re-enchanted me with that aspect of myself that I really like to do things with my hands. And being able to practice at the same time that I was learning was really good. For me, I'm a very visual person, so being able to see it and then do it at the same time was the perfect combination.
Lifting up, lifting up. 그렇지, good.
The aqua peel actually was really fascinating to learn about, the technique. Also the multi-machine, I really liked it. it was different for me because I hadn't seen like so many machines and so many techniques. So being able to introduce myself into the machine world was very captivating for me. In the idol massage course, I was fascinated by the way in which we can change our bone structure just by simply massaging and being constant with a routine of massages. So basically that was shocking for me, like being able to rebalance our body and give our body overall health, including bone structure, including muscle tension. Everything was like sinking in together, and I was very impressed by that. And for the scalp, the steps that it had, the scalp care course, the steps that the procedure had were very fascinating for me because my whole life has suffered from scalp psoriasis, so having those techniques to be able to use in myself as well as my clients was life-changing, actually. Yeah. It was lovely. I enjoyed every single day. It was challenging, obviously, because you have to come prepared to be able to have 1 or 2 models a day. It was intense because since it's an intense course, but it was so warm and so friendly. Like the environment is really nice. Like you have your space, but at the same time you share with other people and you eat lunch, for example. They provide lunch for you, which is like a stress off your day because basically you don't have to go out in the streets and see what you want to eat. You basically have the food here and be able to share with other people, talk to other people. I had the opportunity to share with other students as well in the same course, which was very, very nice. Like it was so comforting to be able to share the same experience with others, and I love that. I love that the synergy that came together. Like everybody was very, I don't know, warm and welcoming, and I really liked the environment. Yeah.
이거 니들 하나로 한 사람 쓰는 거야.
Normally this needle has a diabetes.
예.
Wait here.
Slow. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Oh my god. Little bit slow. Okay, 그렇지. Good. Yes.
How do I feel? I feel accomplished. I feel like it's been a full month of learning without stop, which actually it's tiring, but at the same time it feels good. You're tired, but at the same time you're happy because now I have all this knowledge, all the things that I want to be able to share and actually be able to build again my spa and my beauty salon back in Chile, which gives me like more force to keep doing what I envision to do in the rest of the year. So my future plan after this is going back home and starting building my beauty salon to be able to offer these services and be able to have a quality experience back at home. I totally recommend it. I feel I'm a very experience-oriented person. So of course I like online courses, they're very handy, but being able to experience firsthand in Korea what Korean services are and how to do them and be able to have the teacher by your side and be able to correct you if you're doing something wrong, actually asking questions and be like, okay, I don't understand this, can you help me? They were very next to you, being very attentive to your learning process. So for me, that's the cherry on top in that sense, because since I like experiences, I like to experience it in the moment. And being able to feel and do the massage and be there and be present, it's what drove me to be here for a month and learn from this academy. So yes, I totally recommend it. I feel it is pretty nice experience. And I totally recommend because people here are very welcoming. There was no second I felt homesick. And I say this because I've traveled the world, and in some point, when you're studying abroad, you feel a little bit homesick at a certain point, because basically you're studying and going home and going to the hotel or whatever. But in this case, I felt very welcoming. They took care of me. So I'm very thankful for that, and I would totally recommend for any foreigner that wants to come and have this experience. It's totally worth it. Mikwang Beauty Academy 좋아요.
여러분 안녕하세요. 우리 칠레에서 온 도미니크가 오늘로써 마지막 날입니다. 도미니크는 많은 과정을 배웠기 때문에 저희와 함께 오랫동안 같이 지냈는데요. 스킨케어 10일, 스칼프 케어 3일,
아이돌 메이크업,
아이돌 페이셜 마사지 이틀, 아일래쉬 생장술, 까먹을 뻔했어. 오 마이 갓. 너무 많은 코스를 배웠어요. 그래서 도미니크를 오랫동안 봤기 때문에 정말 도미니크에 대해서 잘 압니다, 저는. 도미니크가 칠레에서 한국 뷰티샵을 아주 크게 열 예정인데요. 오랫동안 저희와 함께 있었고 한국의 문화를 굉장히 잘 알기 때문에 정말 칠레에서 한국다운 샵을 오픈할 때 여러분의 만족도가 굉장히 한국이구나, 칠레가 정말 한국이구나 이런 생각이 들 정도의 실력을 여러분 저는 보장합니다. 우리 도미니크는 공부하는 동안 항상 먼저 와 있었고 항상 정리하고 항상 깨끗하게 정말 여러분 도미니크 정말 깨끗해요. 와우, very good.
감사합니다.
네, 도미니크는 정말 여러분 이뻐요. 우리 도미니크 칠레에서 올해 한 10월쯤 오픈할 예정인데요. 우리 도미니크의 앞으로의 미래 여러분 기대해 주세요.
감사합니다.
여러분 도미니크의 졸업을 축하해 주세요. Congratulations.
선생님.
오마이갓.
창이 선물.
짱이 좋아?
짱이 좋아. 너무
좋아.
좋아.
짱이야. 이거 뭐야? 짠. 오케이, 땡큐. 영원히 행복하래요, 여러분. 도미니크, 제가 도미니크 너무 많이 받았는데, 여러분. 도미니크, I love, thank you.
I love you too.
언제든지
Thank you.
계속, many, 계속 everyday. 오케이?
오케이.
Come on, 오케이?
오케이.
도미니크, 공부 열심히 했죠? 축하해주세요. 도미니크, congratulations.
Thank you.